What up, people? Coach V, New Breed Boxing. Last week's fight between David Benavidez and Caleb, to me, was much, much more than just a great boxing match. What I saw was two guys that genuinely not only disliked each other, but I'd go so far as to say they hated each other. And those press conferences were exponentially getting more disrespectful, and there was people in the middle escalating it. And it reminds me of situations I've been in and situations I've intervened in, like the gloves up, guns down movement, where you got two guys on a collision course. They're both very passionate. They're not backing down. And they have just enough distance to where the disrespect actually starts to increase. You know, nowadays, everybody's on social media taking shots at people and getting personal. And, it's something that, to me, I've noticed in my past, when you have two people that really have their mind made up and they just want to go at it, in a controlled environment, with the right people around, if they're allowed to battle it out in a way to where when it's over, not to let it go past, keep it within a certain confine, you know what I mean? When they battle it out 99% of the time, they walk away with a mutual respect. If not friends, they definitely no longer have a beef. And I can tell you that when you look at the press conferences and you compare that to the end of the fight, what did you see at the press conferences? Name calling, disrespect, people putting hands on each other, stuff like that, throwing things, whatever. At the end of the fight, what did you see? They had nobody in between them. All they were doing was hugging, giving each other pounds, giving each other respect, giving each other credit. And I can guarantee you, if they saw each other again after this, they're going to have the same respect. So I just wanted to point that out, for you people that live in certain neighborhoods and stuff. I'm going to speak on this in another video, but the gloves up, guns down movement, that's a good movement. And I've just seen old timers just step in and be like, listen, man, you guys put the gloves on, see, the better man will win, and you walk away. Sometimes even if you lose, like Caleb Plant lost the fight, but he still won the respect of his opponent. Yeah, the crowd loved him, but beyond that, in his eyes, he looked at the guy that was basically telling him he ain't shit and he hates him or whatever. And then he looked at him and said, yo, man, I respect you. So to me, that's something I've only seen in combat sports or in street situations. And I think that's a camaraderie that you can only get in a situation like that. So I think it's a positive thing. I think it's something a lot of people can learn from. And again, I'm going to do another video on this in the future on, these movements and stuff that I'm seeing a lot of. Because, we got people out here shooting each other and going crazy in the streets for no reason. And sometimes, a conversation could do it. And sometimes you just got to duke it out, But at the end of the day, in a controlled environment where everybody's able to maintain their dignity, I think it's the best solution. You tell me what you think in the comment section. That was my takeaway. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Till the next time, we up out of here. Ow.